Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, this is my Acer E5 laptop and I'm gonna show you how you can replace the hard disk in this. So this is my SSD hard disk that I purchased from Amazon from Ranziana. Okay, fine. So with this laptop, the specialty is like all these screws are like same kind of screw, so you don't have to like save them in an order, but don't lose any screw. Every screw is important, and the way it is structured, you have to take all these screws out. Okay, and also you have to take the hard drive out. So I'm gonna begin. So first I'm gonna begin with this screw, with this DVD drive that hold together. See how easily. You should have the precision screwdriver too. So once this screw has been taken off, you can easily pull out this DVD drive. Okay, fine. And next you need to take off these three screws, okay, so that you can take it out completely. Okay, so I'm gonna take these three screws out, again using the same screwdriver. Now these internal three screws vary in size, but you can use the same screwdriver. Okay, now I'm gonna start removing other screws, and until I remove all the screws it cannot be opened. But yes, if you have a good precision screw, you can easily do this job. Guys, I'm doing all these efforts for you guys, so please subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, now as you can see, I have removed all the screws. Okay, all right, so now the next step is to take this cover out. So in order to do this, you need something like this. Okay, a device like this, which you can put in this let me try to show you if I can. I must be able to. Yeah, you see, yeah, here in this gap, you see, this is where you need to do a gap, and slightly you have to very gently press it up. Okay, don't use too much force. Hold this one, and then push it up. So this is how it looks after remove. Now one more thing, see the speaker, it is still attached here. Okay, so this has to be carefully removed as well. Very carefully and gently you remove it. Do not use over force and break this wire. You're gonna pay much more later. Okay, so now it has been removed all, and here comes my main guy, my hard disk. Fine, this is what I need to take off. Okay, see, it's easily detachable. Okay, just light force you need to use and pull it. Okay, but before that I'll unbox this. Okay, so I unbox it, and this is how it looks. You see, it's gonna go into this direction. Okay, that's gonna be the replacement. So now slowly take this entire thing, we need to take off. Okay, this entire thing. So after a small gentle pull, it came out in my hand. Toshiba, very good. Okay, now I place it here, and this one is here. Now what I need from here is this cover from this entire disk. Okay, wow, and the same thing I need to apply here in this solid state drive. So with proper guidance, precision, it comes. Now just push it in the right place where you just pulled it out, and let it join. Bingo! What happened? It got joined. Now similarly, in some other video I'll show you how to change the RAM, batteries as and when required. I think I should clean it a bit, right? Okay, fine, I can do that also if you want. At least hairs I can remove. I don't know how it fell. Okay, well, first time I also opened. All right, now in the same order you have to attach. Okay, so remember this wire. Okay, now again gently push it from where you had pulled it out. Okay, Yeah, you will hear a very slow click. Okay, and put it at its place. It's gonna fit, but don't use too much of force. Okay, anywhere it will fit, but you have to show some patience. Okay, you should not be in hurry. Once it goes into its place, again follow the same thing. Like I'll start with these three screws, putting them back, and then I'll start with putting back other screws as well. But first, after putting three of those, push this towards its place as well from where you had pulled it out. Okay, don't forget that. And then lock it here. Okay, and then try that. I'm in reverse order. I'm just following whatever I did. So follow the same process, those screws, this cover and this lock, very important. Now slowly I'm gonna put all the screws in because all the screws are here, nothing to lose, and then I'm gonna see you guys. So guys, all screws are in place, everything has been done. This is my old hard disk which has been replaced with the modern one, and the laptop has been turned on. Now again I have to boot and do other things, so that I will do some other time and make a video. I'm gonna do Windows 11, so don't think that I'm not gonna do. Definitely I'll do it. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.